Place aluminum foil in your fridge and prepare to be surprised. You'll never have this problem again, and you'll save money on your energy bills. I'm sure you've never used aluminum foil like this before. Once you understand the purpose, you'll want to try it right away. Here's a simple step to start with. Grab a roll of aluminum foil, tear off a small piece, and open your fridge door. Place the foil in the fridge door so that it sticks out. You'll notice you can easily pull it out. This indicates that your fridge seal isn't working properly. To fix it, here's a quick trick. Turn off the fridge for a moment. Take a hairdryer, set it to warm air, and gently heat the rubber seal around the fridge door. The heat will dry and soften the rubber, allowing it to stick better to the fridge. Now repeat the foil test. Place the aluminum foil between the door and the fridge again. This time the foil won't slide out. It means the seal is now tighter. Thanks to this, you'll save energy and money on your bills. Put them in the windows, and you'll feel the difference. Your bills will decrease by almost half. This simple and affordable trick will seal your windows without needing a professional. Energy and heating costs are rising at an alarming rate, so it's important to minimize heat loss. It turns out that almost half of the heat that could stay in your home escapes through the windows. To keep the heat, all you need is this simple trick I'm about to show you. Everything you need can be found in your home, specifically in your kitchen. Just grab a dish sponge, which has far more uses than you might think. Start by cutting it into smaller pieces, or cut the sponge into medium-sized strips so they can easily fit into the gaps of your windows. Place these strips between the seal and the window frame, as it's often the faulty seals that cause leaks. You don't need to replace them, just use this trick. Attach the sponge with silver tape at the top and close the window. You'll see that the window seals better and your home will feel warmer. Every year, I cover my windows with bubble wrap. At first, my neighbors laughed at me, but once they learned the reason, they started doing it too. It turns out bubble wrap has many hidden uses, aside from being a satisfying stress reliever. If the air pockets are intact, it can significantly lower heating costs by reducing heat loss by up to 50%. All you need is a piece of bubble wrap cut to the size of your window and a spray bottle filled with water. Clean the glass, spray it with water, and press the bubble side of the wrap directly onto the wet surface. The wrap will stick on its own. No glue or tape needed. For extra security, you can tape the edges to the window frame, but it's not essential. This trick works wonders for single-pane windows, basements, attics, greenhouses, and even some double-glazed windows. It's a simple, reusable solution that doesn't lose its insulating properties. You can remove the wrap anytime and reapply it, for example, on especially cold nights. Bubble wrap insulation has been proven effective in keeping rooms warm and reducing energy bills. Gardeners often use it in greenhouses, where it can cut heat loss by 30% and raise the temperature inside by up to 2 degrees Celsius. Over time, you can collect bubble wrap from packages to use for this purpose, making it a sustainable and cost-effective way to stay warm. You might save hundreds of dollars during a single heating season with this simple trick. Soak a cotton pad and wipe down your window frames to get rid of a nasty problem. Wipe even the windowsill. There are several reasons why. Not only do your windowsills and frames become cleaner and regain their bright white color, but the main reason is different. Mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle. This solution has antibacterial properties and is non-toxic, safe for kids and pets. Spray it on your window frames and sills without worry. You can also soak cotton pads and wipe the frames thoroughly. Insects hate the smell of vinegar, and its repellent effect lasts a long time. In the fall, when insects seek shelter, this trick will be your best ally. Just wipe the windows regularly, and insects will stay away. All flying pests will disappear. Plus, your windows will be shiny and streak-free. Take a dustpan, a stocking, and a few drops of a specific substance. This set will make your windows shine like never before. You'll forget about streaks forever. Everyone dreams of clean windows, but you don't have to spend money on special cleaning fluids. A homemade spray will make your windows sparkling and there won't be a single streak on them, before you learn my recipe, familiarize yourself with the method of cleaning windows with a dustpan. Many people don't know that it can be useful when cleaning glass. However, it has something that is very useful for this task. It can replace a squeegee when you don't have one. The rubber element is perfect for this. And the stocking? Nylon tights and stockings have a certain property. No streaks appear on windows polished with them, even after rain. So if you polish your windows with an old stocking after washing them, they will shine for weeks. The window cleaning solution itself should have one important ingredient. It prevents dust, dirt, or grime from settling on the windows. It also reduces the risk of streaks. A small amount is enough for the windows to stay clean even twice as long as usual. Pour half a liter of regular water into a container. Add half a cup of vinegar. Pour in a tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Squeeze the juice from half a lemon. And finally, add several drops of glycerin. If you don't have glycerin, you can use fabric softener or winter windshield washer fluid. These products contain glycerin. Windows washed with this solution are so clean that even a fly won't land on them. And that's literal. The scent of vinegar and lemon effectively repels insects. Flies, fruit flies, and even mosquitoes will not come near. Is cold air coming through your windows? Switch to winter mode, and your home will feel warmer while saving on bills. A hidden screw in the window frame allows you to change the setting from summer to winter mode. Not many people know that this should be done twice a year, once in summer and once in winter. Grab a pair of pliers or a special window key. The screw responsible for this change moves when you press the window handle. It controls how tightly the window sash presses against the frame. Upon closer inspection, you'll notice that one side of the screw is longer than the other, marked with a large dot. You can adjust it with pliers or a special key. The screws may vary in shape depending on the window manufacturer and are hidden not just on one side, but also on the top and bottom frames. How do you change your window from summer to winter mode? Grab the screw with pliers and turn the largest dot toward the window frame. This increases the seal's pressure, stopping airflow. Cold drafts will no longer sneak into your home through gaps. While it's a small detail, over the course of the heating season, you'll notice a big difference. Did you know windows have different modes? Have you already switched yours to winter mode? Squeeze toothpaste into a bottle, and the results will surprise you. In just a few minutes, you'll create a solution to your problem. Start with a plastic or glass bottle. Squeeze about 2 tablespoons of any toothpaste into it. Then add about 50 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar dissolves deposits, greasy stains, and bacteria while preventing moisture. Finally, pour in warm water to help dissolve the toothpaste and create a uniform mixture. Seal the bottle and shake it well. Your spray is ready. Use it on windows, mirrors, or other surfaces. Wipe with a microfiber cloth for a streak-free shine. This spray works wonders in cars too, especially on interior windows prone to fogging. It removes smudges, reduces fogging, and keeps your surfaces clean. A natural, effective solution for cleaning windows in humid areas, bathrooms, or car interiors. This simple mixture does wonders to eliminate streaks, residue, and moisture issues. Pour this into a bowl. This solution will make cleaning around the house more enjoyable than ever before. Start by taking a bowl and measuring about 1 liter of water. Pour the water into the bowl, then add a small amount of shampoo. Besides washing hair, shampoo has many practical uses around the home. Grab your favorite cleaning cloth, ideally one made of microfiber. Mix everything well and squeeze out the excess water. Now start cleaning the glass with it, making sure not to miss any spots. Shampoo helps dissolve grease and dirt, leaving surfaces shiny and streak-free. Take another microfiber cloth and gently polish the window. This trick will give you a stunning result. The difference is visible at first glance. Use this mixture to clean makeup brushes too. Pour the prepared solution into a small bowl and let the brushes soak for 5 minutes for easier cleaning. Shampoo effectively removes makeup residue, leaving brushes looking like new.